Poverty is a complex and multifaceted issue that affects millions of people worldwide, especially a student like me who've experienced poverty, but never give up whatever circumstances that faced because of the goals in life that we need to strive hard for a better future. Please call me Claret, ang lakaterang estudyante. So here's my story, just bear with me. Clary woke up early in the morning and helped with the household chores. And suddenly, she asked her mother a question.
Ma, pwede ba akong pumasok ng kolehiyo? Gusto ko na talaga mag-aral.
Hindi, wala tayong pera pang gastos.
Clary felt sadness at that moment, but she didn't lose hope. Until...
Clary, gusto mo ba mag-aral? May naghahanap ng scholarship dun sa Argao.
Totoo ba? Kailan?
Bukas.
Hala, sige, go ako.
Because she was determined to study and prove to everyone that she was an independent woman, she convinced her parents to let her pursue her education and go to Argao. However, she was disappointed and returned home in tears. Nevertheless, she continued searching for a scholarship but found none until the school year at CTU started, so she studied here instead.
Wow! Ang ganda ng university na ito. Ngayon pa lang langhap ko na ang simoy ng hangin na matutupad ko na ang aking mga pangarap. This is it!
Clary studied hard from elementary to college and became a consistent honor student, thanks to the support of her family and her father's daily tricycle driving. Whenever she had free time, she helped on her mother's farm, and when there were contests, she earned extra money by singing and selling. She also worked part-time at a well-known restaurant in the area. She experienced going to school in the morning and working at night to help her parents with her education.
May babayaran tayo sa Richards, 2,000 pesos. Ikaw na lang ang kulang.
Ngayon?
Teka.
Hala, sorry, wala na akong pera.
Hoy, ang utang mo!
Ano ba ito nangyari sa akin? Bakit wala na akong pera? Marami pa naman akong utang babayaran. Ano bang gagawin ko? Alam ko namang walang pera sila mama at papa. Saan ba ko hahanap? Nakakapagod na talaga maging mahirap. Oh, Clary. Okay lang yan. I know, kaya mo yan. Ano?
She continued her studies even though she was struggling. She focused on leisure activities, joined organizations, became one of the youth in the church, and became a psalmist. Despite the hardships she faced to achieve her dreams, she did not lose hope and became even stronger in her faith in the Lord. Until there is another trial again.
Hoy, Clary, ako sa iyo, huwag ka na mag-aaral. Magtrabaho ka na lang, kasi mag-aasawa ka rin naman.
Hindi ko na talaga kaya. Ayoko na talaga.
Clary was deeply hurt by what she heard, but she ignored it. She continued despite the events, and now she is a third-year student. Next year, she will have her OJT. She is happy with what she has achieved so far and continues to dream in life despite the challenges she faced. She never lost hope because for her, education is the key to success. Always remember that goals can be manifested if you put your heart and mind into it. Nothing is impossible, so don't be afraid to dream, and you must be strong in facing whatever challenges life brings. And don't forget to call on the Lord because no matter what happens, He is always beside us, willing to help and love us unconditionally. Until here, Clary.